What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're unboxing the giant 1 in 10 scale Hot Wheels RC Cybertruck, which also includes the Cyber Quad. Now, before we go ahead and unbox this, let me give you a little bit of history. The Tesla Cybertruck, they did originally release in a $400 version of the same size as this one, which was a lot more detailed. They finally released a consumer version, which retails for $100 in the US, $130 in Canada. So if you want to pick this up, I will link it in the description box below. At the time of filming, it still is available, so make sure you go grab it right now because these are selling out fast. All right, let's go ahead and unbox it, get a close-up look, and then we'll charge it up and we'll see it in action. And here it is first out of the box. We'll go ahead and grab the controller out of here, which is nicely wedged in there. We'll have to cut that out. The steering wheel itself looks really cool. It's the yoke style steering wheel that the Tesla Model S, the Cybertruck, all the new Teslas are gonna have. So very, very cool. I like the design of that. And on the back, we do have an opening which you have to put batteries into the remote. You do have to unscrew it. We'll do that in a bit. Looking at the Cybertruck itself, look at how cool this looks. Now, obviously, this is kind of a love it or hate it design. If you like it, you like it. If not, hey, I mean, I'm not forcing you to like it, but I think it looks really cool. I think it looks really unique. It's actually a little bit lighter maybe than I thought it would be. If we put it down, the suspension, it has really, really cool suspension. The tires on here, they are like a rubber, but they do have some flex in them, which is really good. And in the back, you can see we have the Cyber Quad. Now, a lot of people have been wondering what the Cyber Quad does. Is it electric? Does it do anything? Unfortunately not. It's just kind of just a little toy. It does have the same style like rubber tires on there. Does not have any suspension or anything like that on there, but it looks really, really cool. I mean, I hope that they make a full-size version of this. I know they do have the kids variation that they've made, which is about $1,900 to buy, but if they make a full-size like man version of it, which like a normal person can go on, oh my gosh, that would be so, so cool. Anyways, we put that in the back right here. Obviously, it perfectly fits. You can see that suspension is just, it's a very, very loose suspension on here, which is interesting. Let's take the Cyber Quad out and we can get a little bit of a look on the inside trunk bed right here. You can see it's just nice, fully plastic. It's got that little bit of a step right here, so the Cyber Quad stays in there nicely. The back of it does not open, which on the $400 version, it does open up, so that's a little bit interesting on here. It looks like we do have a light on the back as well, which runs across. And on the top, we cannot see through. It's perfectly just blacked out in here, so we don't see any interior, anything like that. And if we look at the front, you can see the crazy look of the Cybertruck from the front and right there, but I think it looks awesome. I cannot wait to charge it up. We'll look in the bottom right here, and we do have the area for the batteries. We do have our on and off switch. So very cool that we open it up, and I did not realize this, but it is a USB cable, so all we have to do is plug this in. The battery is completely built into the Cybertruck, so we can just charge it right up. That is very, very amazing. I absolutely love that. Let's go ahead and plug the Cybertruck in and charge it up, and then let's go ahead and look at the remote and see if the remote does the same thing. Inside of the remote, we do have AA batteries, so we'll put in a couple of AA batteries. As an interesting little size comparison for you on how big this Cybertruck actually is, this is the 1 in 64 scale RC Tesla Cybertruck. So same as your regular Hot Wheels sized car. Just look at how tiny that is compared to our giant 1 in 10 scale Cybertruck. So here, we'll put it on top right here, and you can see the size difference. All right, Peak Timers, we're upstairs, and as you can see, when you press on the controller, the lights light up on the front right there. You can see that nice light bar, and also on the back right there, which looks really, really cool. So let's go ahead and put it down and see how it goes. Whoa, okay. So it's a little bit fast. Let's go a little bit this way here. Whoa, it's really fast. So obviously we're gonna need a little bit more room for this, but we'll give it a go here as I crash it. My dog probably doesn't like it. Oh, into the wall and back it in. So there's gonna be a few dents in this probably by the time we're done with it. Whoa, whoa, there we go, there we go. All right, let's get a little speed. Let's get a little bit of speed here. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, big crash, big crash. All right, we're gonna have a lot of dents in this, guys. That's the Tesla Cybertruck from Hot Wheels. Hopefully you guys like it. Again, I'll link it down in the description box below if you guys want to check it out, see how much it is. But I can't wait to take this outside and try it out, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.